Ready to dive into the world of decentralized finance and effortlessly swap crypto right from your Binance app? Let's walk through how to seamlessly swap crypto using the Binance Web3 Wallet in just a few easy steps. First, make sure you have the Binance app installed and open it. At the bottom of your screen, tap on Wallets, then select the WB3 tab at the top. This will take you to your Binance Web3 Wallet interface. Look for the swap button. It is clearly displayed and tap on it to begin. You'll now see the swap interface here. You'll select the token you want to exchange from the Pay With drop-down menu. Search for the token that you want to pay with from the list, like USDT, and select it. Next, select the token you want to receive in the Receive section. Click the drop-down menu and search for the coin you want. For example, let's say you want to swap to BNB. Tap on it. Now, enter the amount of the token you want to swap. After entering the amount, click on the Preview Swap button to review the details of your transaction. On the confirmation screen, carefully review all the details: the exchange rate, estimated fees, and slippage. If everything looks good, confirm the swap. Once confirmed, the swap will be processed, and you'll see a confirmation screen with the transaction details. That's all there is to it. You can view your transaction history in your Web3 wallet, which provides an easy way to track your trades and monitor your portfolio. Now you're all set to start swapping crypto directly from your Binance Web3 wallet.